aircraft, including the location and operation of exits and flotation devices. This aircraft has 2 exit doors in the front, 2 window exits over the wings, and 2 exit doors in the back. All doors have an evacuation slides to use in an emergency. When directed, jump onto the slide and move away from the aircraft. In a water evacuation, the exit door slides in front and back can be detached and used for flotation. All exits are clearly marked with signs and opening instructions. Exit off lighting in the aisle will illuminate on the near the floor to guide you to an exit indicated by signs or red lights. Keep in mind the closest exit may be behind you. In an event of an emergency, leave all belongings and go to the closest exit. If needed, the oxygen mask will drop from overhead. Remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and pull the mask down to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and put the elastic band over your head. Pull the straps to tighten and breathe normally. Put on your mask before helping others. Oxygen is flowing even if the bag doesn't inflate.
Michael, was it equipment or crew?
I don't know.
All right.
But it doesn't matter.
I gave 2 instructions, Michael.
Okay,
Your life vest
you gave him a
is in
lot.
the
He doesn't know what he's doing.
compartment or next to
He's
yours.
going to go to the agent and let the
Pull the red
agent tell him what
strap
to do.
remove the pouch. If equipped with an elastic harness, remove the harness before opening the pouch. Take the vest out as shown on the safety card and put it over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist, slap the ends together and tighten. Inflate your vest, usually the aircraft by pulling down on the red tab or by blowing into the red tube. Never inflate the vest inside the aircraft. All vests have a light that turns on automatically in the water. We will be dimming the cabin lights for takeoff. Light switch is located overhead. On behalf of the captain, first officer in this Washington, D.C. crew, it is our pleasure to have you on board. Thank you for your attention and we wish you a pleasant flight. Once again, a flight time, 1 hour, 22 minutes.
Yeah, I saw.
Did you want something to drink?
Just water, please.
Okay. What would you like to drink?
I'm good with water. Yeah.
You want another one or no, sir?
No, I'm good.
No? Okay.
No.
What would you like?
Nice work.
After takeoff?
Yes.
You want something to drink after takeoff? Water? Good drink. After takeoff.
Did you find something?
I got a text.
You had no idea?
No, they knew.
They do?
Yeah, they probably got the same text. At least Logan did. If you send them a bunch of information, it doesn't all come through. The more information you send them, the less they're going to listen to it.
Well, they'll read it when they have a minute
Yeah.
and process it. You can't process it up front. So you'll go back to the lounge?
That's what I told him to do, and I told him to get to the gate agent, or to get to the person,
Agent,
the agent that would recognize them.
This wasn't a problem when we left.
No, this just posted the second I told you. It posted like first it said midnight, and then 3 a.m. and then 6 a.m. and then all in a minute. I think it was equipment that caused the delay, and then they couldn't get a crew.
All right, so it's all AA related.
Oh yeah. This isn't weather. This is very unlikely. This is weather.
It's not that foggy if planes can't fly.
I doubt it. It's weather. I wonder if the plane ever got here. I want to look into it.
No, it did. It landed 7:20. The plane landed.
Now that's
Their
very
incoming flight landed.
that's very weird.
I wish I was there to know. I would have helped. So they can still. So if they fly at 10:15,
All right, keep it.
they'll just drive over tomorrow. Christmas Eve.
I don't know what they're gonna do. It's up to them. I'm just trying to get them a residence for a way home tonight.
Well, we'll call them in 2 hours.
Yeah.
I'll get them a room if they can't get one to America.
Yeah.
Who's more assertive? Drew or Logan?
Neither.
Do you want to go on the way for takeoff?
Sure. And I'll take another
Neither.
Okay. Do you want another one? I mean, are you gonna hold it for takeoff?
No, it's okay. They're last night.
Yeah.
I know.
Do you want to hold those for takeoff or? Okay. Here you go, guys.
Yeah, thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
car flying for 50 minutes later, we would have been a job. The worst possible, well, going to be worse is we would have a plane that